What's up, guys? This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude here. I'm on the Manhattan-bound B train where I left Atlantic Avenue-Barclays Center, and the next stop's going to be DeKalb Avenue. Right now, this is a process of helping some people get to 59th Street, Columbus Circle, which is in Manhattan. Okay, we are now leaving DeKalb Avenue. That means we're leaving Brooklyn and entering Manhattan. Next stop is Grand Street. Okay, we are now in Manhattan and leaving Grand Street. Next stop is Broadway Lafayette Street. Okay, we are now leaving 7th Avenue, 53rd Street. That means the next stop is 59th Street, Columbus Circle.
Attention everyone. If you have questions or need to report an issue to the police, the NYPD is located at the station.
Transfer is available to the 1A, C, and D trains. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear and center of the platform.
Alright, here we are, 59th Street.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude.